So hello friends, my name is Dipesh Patil and today I'm going to show a demonstration of my recently made project. So this is a side project that I was working recently. Today I'll be showing the demonstration of LinkedIn followers bot. So this is basically a script written in Java by using Selenium WebDriver to send connection requests to users in bulk. Now it operates on a basic query like in this example we can say that we want to follow people with the keyword recruiter, and the third parameter stands for the company in which they are working in, and the fourth parameter stands for the location. So considering all those factors, it generates a URL and then it navigates to that page, and then it starts following users based on those results. So let me just copy this, and now what we will do is we will run this script. So now it will launch the Chrome driver window and it will enter the following credentials. So in this case this is my account and it is going to enter the credentials, and once it is successfully logged in and ready, it will display a prompt here to enter a query. So it is still loading now, and after it loads it will ask for a prompt. So after it has loaded, it asks to enter query. So we are just going to enter a query, and in this demonstration I'm just going to not specify any specific company. So I'm just looking for recruiters in Bangalore, that's it. So after the query has been generated, it will navigate to that page and it will ask for one more prompt to enter the followers count. And now in this demo I'm going to only follow 5 people, but you can you can actually send connection request to 57,000 people, and it also depends on the factors like uh, there is a search limit quota that if you cross then you won't get all those results. So make sure you follow only limited people. So after entering, it will navigate to that page and it will send connection requests. So it directly sends connection requests, and then after sending to those 5 people it will automatically log out and exit, and also it displays a short summary in a form of tabular data that it has followed so and so people. And still not enough, then it makes a folder and generates an Excel file based on those people that you have followed. So in this case I have followed those 5 people, so it will generate a table. So this script can be useful for people who are looking for jobs, and especially some recruiters, and then it is also helpful for recruiters who are looking to hire some engineers based on keywords and companies and location factors, it can send connection requests. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll be providing the link to the source code in description so that you can execute the code from your end. So thank you so much.